Hi everyone, my name is Greg and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today for this really cool coffee table build. It's a design I had in mind for more than a year and finally got the chance to build the coolest coffee table ever. I'm going to take you on this journey and show you exactly how we built this. Let's go. I've been working on this design and concept for more than a year now, and I finally got the chance to build the ultimate coffee table. Now, the whole thought process and idea behind this specific design was to build something unique, to build something special, to build something that's not out there in the world yet. And honestly, I think we nailed it. I think the coffee table really came out special, and as I mentioned, there's a lot of thought process and design that went into this, because you don't want the coffee table to flex at all. That was the whole idea behind it. And as you saw in the manufacturing process of the steel base, we've done a lot of testing to make sure that there's no flex in the coffee table. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of this coffee table? How do you think it came out? Is this something you will buy in the shop? Is this something you will design? Is this something you will try and build yourself? But I personally think we nailed it, and let me know what you guys think. So this will be all for today, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content we're posting. See you next week with another super cool video. Cheers, guys.